Hello viewers, we are back with a new video. Hope you are doing great and welcome back to our channel Technokasim. If you are looking for a new ways to improve your TikTok engagement in 2026, so in this video I will share overview of a TTBoost app and explore how creators using it as a part of their TikTok growth strategy. So guys, we look at their features, how it works, and whether it can help increase your content visibility naturally. So guys, let's get started.
First, go to the Play Store and search for TTBoost. It has great reviews and over 1 million plus installs, which clearly shows that the app is legit. After opening the app, you'll see an interface like this. Simply open your TikTok app, copy your TikTok username, and paste it here.
After pasting TikTok username,
Click on Continue. Here we are on the main app interface. As you can see at the top right corner, there are my earned coins. I'll show you how you can earn coins too. You'll see a TikTok account along with a follow button and a skip button. Click on the follow button. It will redirect you to the TikTok app where you need to follow the account. Then come back to the TTBoost app. As you can see, our 5 coins have been added. In this way, you can get as many coins as you want for free. Just follow the simple process. I've tried a few other apps as well, but found many problems and bugs in them. TTBoost, on the other hand, works much better compared to others. Even if you face any problem, their support team is super quick. They usually provide a solution within a minute. Okay, let's go to the store option. Here you can see many options with different follower packages. You can choose the number of followers that suits you best, or if you don't want to follow the process, you can simply purchase followers directly from the store. So now, I'm going to buy 10 followers for 100 coins and show you how it works. You can see that my order has been placed. Now I'll show you the order status. Look here, this is the order status. As you can see, I've already ordered many followers for my brand TikTok account, and all of them are completed. I really love this app. Let's go to my TikTok account and see how many followers I have right now. Here it is. I currently have 40 followers. Here is my following list. As you can see, I have already started getting followers. Let me show you the final result after completion. Let's open the TTBoost app and check our order status. As you can see, our order for 10 followers has been completed. Now, let's go to my TikTok account. Here we are. As you can see, I have gained 50 followers, plus 3 more, making a total of 53, all real followers with genuine accounts. Let's go one more time into the TTBoost app. I'm going to show you the referral bonus. If you refer the app to your friends or family, you can get 200 coins. So this is the full explanation of how TTBoost works. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment box. I'll also attach the app link in the description so you can download it and take your TikTok account to the next level. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon to get update of my videos.